In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your oil or maintenance light on a Toyota Rav4. So the first thing you want to do is take your ignition key, put it in, and turn the ignition on. Do not start it. Find your display, and you want to set up your trip A, not B, but A. So scroll till you see trip A. There it is. We'll turn the key in the off position. Now hold down the display button and then turn it back to the on position. And you'll see dashes, and it'll go right down to a 0 dash. And it goes flashes zeros. You are all set. Now you can turn your car off, start it up, and the oil light or maintenance light should be gone. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.